Hey guys, amazing news. Zillow has done something so fantastic. It's their biggest change since they created the Zestimates, and I want you to know about it. You're getting this email and this video because you're one of our amazing past clients or you've attended one of our home seller success workshops dinners. So we're sending this to a select few people. My name's Anthony Mantra. I'm a co-founder of Kindred Real Estate. I'm also the marketing manager here, and I wanted to let you know this. If you are thinking about selling your home, or you have a friend or a neighbor or a coworker even thinking about it in the next few years, this can add tens of thousands of dollars in their pocket. Zillow announced their showcase listings, and what this is an exclusive program. It's so exclusive that about 50 out of 20,000 agents here have access to it. And guess what? Kindred Real Estate is absolutely one of those. So why should you care? Well, what it does and what the data shows is that it increases the number of buyers who see your home on Zillow between 100 and 300%. How do they do that? Look at this map. They highlight your home as a showcase home. It looks different than the other ones. The tag's larger. So buyers are clicking on it more. 100 to 300% more buyers. You know, the more buyers that know your home is available, the better offers and the more offers you get. Then once they click on it, the website for your home is different than the normal Zillow website. So instead of just a static site, it has a carousel of photos and it divides your home by rooms. This has increased saves by more than 78%. So why are saves important? Well, look, when we make any changes to your listing, update a price, add a photo, add an open house, Zillow will directly contact anyone who has saved your property using this platform. This re-engages them and reminds them why they loved your house in the first place. And then finally, normally on a static, non-showcase listing, if a buyer is interested in talking to an agent, they click a button that says contact agent. But guess what? It's not us. It's not Kindred. It's not your agent. It's any agent. Maybe it's an agent that's never been in your home or your community, or maybe it's their first day of being a licensed agent. They're not interested in selling your home. They just want to sell a home. So now with the showcase, they can contact us directly. We know about your home. We know about the great amenities, about the community, and our number one goal is to sell your home for the most amount of money. So look, if you're even thinking about selling your home in the next year or two and you want more information on this program, reach out to us and we'll be happy to give you further details. Until then, have a great day.